Namaskar students, let us today learn how to plot the ogive or the cumulative frequency curve. Well, cumulative frequency curve or ogive is plotted between the limits of the class interval and the corresponding cumulative frequency. Now we know that there are two types of cumulative frequencies. One is a less than cumulative frequency and other is more than cumulative frequency. And we have already learned it how to find out in the previous lesson. Now here I have class intervals, frequencies, less than cumulative frequencies and more than cumulative frequencies. Well, less than cumulative frequency curve is plotted between the upper limit and the corresponding cumulative frequency. So here we will take the points 45, 3, 58, 55 and 17, 60, 29, 65, 34, 70, 38, 75 and 40 as the coordinate points, right? So I have already written these points here. So let us plot these points on the graph paper. So here we have 45, 3. Along the x-axis I have taken class intervals. Along the y-axis we have taken the cumulative frequencies. So 45 and 0.3, this falls here. 50 and 8. Then 55, 17. 60, 29. This is somewhere here. 65, 34. And 70, 38, 75, 40. So we will join them. One thing which you have to remember is that the previous class interval for this would be 35 to 40 and the frequency is 0. So cumulative frequency is 0. So this point is 40 and 30. So this is this point. So we will join this. We will not use the scale for this. So this is a less than cumulative frequency curve or less than ogive. Now let us plot the more than cumulative frequency, and this is drawn between the lower limit and the corresponding more than cumulative frequency. So we have the points 40 and 40 CF, 45 the lower limit and corresponding point of CF is 37, 50, 32, 55, 23, 60, 11, 65, 6, 70 and 2, right? And the next class interval would be here 75 to 80, frequency is 0 and CF is also 0. So we will mark these points on the graph paper. I have already written these points here. 40 to 40. Then 45, 37, 50, 32, 55, 23, 60, 11, 65, 6, 72 and 75 is 0. This lower limit and 0. Again we will join using the free hand. So this is the more than ogive. So less than and more than.